Hey beautiful, it's Nancy, also known as the Lipstick Boss. Today I have for you rules for wearing a red dress, the makeup, the shoes, and the jewelry. So the first tip I have for you is to make sure that you're wearing the right red. You want to make sure that it matches your color code. If you have a warm undertone, you're going to be looking better in burgundies and scarlet reds. If you have more of a cooler undertone, you're going to look best in cherry reds and in the blue reds. So the second thing is your shoes. What color shoes should you wear with a red dress? Well, I believe that the best color shoe is going to be the color of your hair. So if you have blonde hair, wear a taupe shoe. If you have black hair, wear a black shoe. If you have gray hair or silver hair, wear a gray or silver shoe. You get the idea what I'm going for here. Also, the third thing is your jewelry. So it needs to be metallic. Okay, so we're going to use, according to your color code, are you a warm undertone or are you a cool undertone? If you're warm, you're going to have gold jewelry. If you're cool, you have silver jewelry. Right now, what's trending is metallic eyeshadows. And in the link below, I have a video on a red dress makeup look that includes metallic eyeshadows and a red lip. So make sure you check that out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And until next time, keep blending. Bye-bye.